So yesterday I was looking for bearish SnP 500, and this was yesterday's candle. This was Thursday's candle, and I'm still looking for bearishness to take out this lows. If you're new, you can watch the video I posted yesterday about how I read price up here. So I'm still looking for price to continue bearishly. Still looking for price to continue bearishly to take out these lows. So I'm also going to 4 hour to look for the only key level I see here is this breaker block here, which price is currently trading back into. So let me drop a horizontal rate there. So there's the horizontal rate showing the breaker block. So going into 4 hour, I honestly cannot see any KPDR rate to key off from. So I'll go into 1 hour. This was the break of structure I was looking at for yesterday, and price did break structure, the fair value gap. This was my key to go and sell US 500. So for today, this is the daily breaker block, and from what I'm saying, I am going to use this fair value gap. I'm going to ignore that spike there. I'm going to ignore the spike because no much activity. It's just spiked through and came back. So this is the fair value gap in line with the daily breaker block. So I want to see price sell off from here for US 500, and this also like a bearish order block with the fair value gap. So I want to see price touch this level one more time and sell off to reach for this daily lows. But today is Friday, so we might see a little bit of nibble price action. Then for US 100, let me zoom out to the daily time frame. I was also still looking for sales. The US 100 expanded more than US 500. So this is an order block, a bearish order block. Going into 4 hour. Yeah, this was the break of structure I said I was looking forward for yesterday, and we can see price came back into a fair value gap on the 4 hour chart. Let me take all these lines. You can see how price came back into this fair value gap and started selling. So I'm still looking at for same thing here. Fortunately, on the 4 hour we have a fair value gap here. I'm looking at this as engineered lows. Look at these lows, very clean, very clean. I don't think these lows would stay like this for long. So I'm looking for a retracement into. I said these lows are very clean, so I'm looking for a retracement into this fair value gap to attack these lows first. Then this daily lows. So these are engineered lows, engineered liquidity. Price comes up in this fair value gap and boom. Looking for sales on US 100. So that is my current prognosis for the day. That's what I see price doing. So I'll look out for how it plays. I wasn't able to participate yesterday because I had a very busy day. So this is it. Do have a lovely day. Good luck. Good trading. Bye.